How fast does it take to put away your portable solar panels? We have the Green Pulse solar panel right here. This is 120 watt. It's a smaller, more compact solar panel that I can put away very quickly. You see I have the MC4 cables right here, and we have kickstands underneath. But these kickstands will button down like that, and you have a little button clip, button down like this. And this side, same thing, has a kickstand, button down like this. Boom. And then you have a little pouch that you can put your cables in like this. Put your cables in, store your cables away, zip it up, and you have one more kickstand back here that you also can clip in. Boom, like that. And this one will fold up super easy because it's very lightweight. It's only 120 watt solar panel, and you have magnetic enclosure on the handles. Boom, like that. And then you're done. Now you can carry this. This is a Green Pulse 120 watt solar panel. Now this one is a 160 watt EcoFlow solar panel. So more power. Your MC4 connections are here, and this one, the case becomes the stand. You have a very strong case. But to take this apart takes a little bit more effort. You have one clip right there, and you have another clip right there. So these two clips are down, then you have two clips down here. So one clip right here, and another clip over here. So now the solar panel is disconnected from the case, and it folds up like this. Boom, boom, boom. Monocrystalline cells inside. Both of these have monocrystalline cells, and they're both waterproof, by the way. This thing slides in your case like this, and then you zip it up. Zip, and you zip up this side. Zip, boom. And this one has a handle with the Velcro, boom, right there. And now you're ready to go. Super easy to compact and fold your portable solar panel, whether you go Green Pulse or EcoFlow right here. So these are very compact solar panel. This one's 120 watt. This one's 160 watt. This one's a little bit easier to compact and fold away, but it's a little bit flimsy as you see in this configuration. Whereas this one, you can put this one into a truck and it's very well protected. So it's up to you, fast and convenient, or a little bit more robust and solid. 120 watt, 160 watt. Both of them are great portable solar panels. Oh yeah.